Welcome to Blubbus. Blubbus is an effective visual tool for brainstorming and organizing ideas. On Blubbus website, you can easily create an account, log in, and start creating mind maps. Blubbus allows you and your students to visually present concepts, describe a process, or grow your idea. What I like the most about Blubbus is the aesthetics of the visual maps you can create, as well as the map flexibility to describe, gather, and organize ideas in these maps. When you log in, you can choose between creating a new mind map or loading an old one. Starting from the first bubble, you can expand the mind map by adding more bubbles at the same level or at sub-levels. This way you can keep expanding the map. You can easily move the bubbles around and change the way they are linked in order to reorganize the concepts and create structure. You can also modify the color of the bubbles and other features to enhance the visual differences in the appearance of the bubbles that correspond to different categories. You can also export your mind maps or share them. With share, you can also embed your mind map in other documents. In the free version of Blubbus, you can have up to 3 simultaneous mind maps. If you wish to do more than 3, you will need to use the export feature to download one of your maps and then delete them from the website in order to create more than 3. As a visual learner myself, what I love about Blubbus is that you can represent and organize very complicated webs of ideas in a very compelling visual way. For example, you can represent your students' collective brainstorming exercise in one simple map. Blubbus can support STEM PBL effectively in several levels. On the first level, brainstorming to identify a pre-existing knowledge, as well as for the ideation stage of the PBL project. Also, by allowing the clustering of concepts into main ideas and creating hierarchy and narratives, Blubbus serves to foster learning for understanding. Finally, Blubbus is a useful tool for group reflection and evaluation of ideas and serves to structure the thinking process and make it more apparent to students, aiding to their metacognition. According to the SMR model to assess technology integration, Blubbus redefined several educational tasks in ways that would not be possible without a tool like this. Thus, Blubbus redefines the tasks of ideation and brainstorming by enabling the organization and visualization of complicated webs of concepts into mind maps, which help to make the thinking process visible to the student and the teacher, and allows the teacher to identify the possible misconceptions or gaps in the student's knowledge. By allowing students to engage in generation, evaluation, and analysis of ideas, Blubbus is supporting higher order tasks in the Bloom's taxonomy. I strongly recommend STEM teachers to try Blubbus for a brainstorming exercise with your class in your next PBL project.